you put a finger on my sister, guaranteed your head pop, pop, pop just like blister. I might smile and grin, but trust me, darling.
What's good to my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. It's your girl Miss Sydz, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the new Elf Camo blushes, liquid blushes. So if you are new to the channel and you love this type of content, make sure you do subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and also put your post notifications onto all. I do post on YouTube Shorts, so always check the community tabs because I do repost them in the community tabs. Also make sure you do follow me on TikTok and Instagram because I'm more active on those social platforms. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. So obviously the camo line is pretty much a popular line in Elf, and when they came out with their liquid blushes, and you guys know that I am a blush gal, I had to get them. So these are the three shades that I've got: a nice little hot pink, a sort of terracotta shade as well, and an orange shade. So I think these shades are just literally go-to shades that you need in your collection, especially if you are a dark skin babe. So I got these originally from the Elf UK website, and I believe they retail £7 a piece. So yeah, we're just gonna try them out, shall we? Super pigmented liquid blushes with a lightweight formula, a soft dewy finish. Now I'm a little bit of that because I do have normal to dry skin, and I do love a dewy radiant finish. I probably am gonna try and do at least 2 shades on my face, or maybe even try to do all 3, girl, who knows. But they're so cute and little stubby. So this is what the applicator looks like. So it's kind of slightly curved, very slightly, but this is the oh child, that is a hot pink. I would describe it as a pink with a bluish purple undertone. This is Gorge Orange. Obviously we do love a, wow, that is a vibrant orange. That's like in your face orange, like. And I'm very intrigued about the shades. Once again, this is, I think it was called Bronze Bombshell or something like that. Yeah, Bronze Bombshell. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is actually really nice. So once again, coming in hot pink, Gorge Orange, and this is Bronze Bombshell. Like, it's giving what it needs to give. It's giving what it needs to give. Should I do pink? I'm scared. 1 dot. Quite a lot of product is on the applicator, so I'm actually just gonna do 1 dot, and I'm just gonna, ooh, wow. Okay, this is actually pigmented. And that was just 1 dot. What? That's a really nice color. I actually really like that pink. Like, I've always been an orange person, but yeah, last year I started to get really into my pink blushes, and that is buff. That is actually buff. I'm just gonna use a little bit of my sponge. I might add a little bit of orange there just to see what it looks like, and then I might probably just do the terracotta on this side on its own. So I'm gonna be looking a bit cray-cray, but this is what you gotta do for the content, you know. People wanna see the color, sis. Okay, so that is, yeah, that is really nice, and I really like the finish of that as well. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit of the orange one. I'm literally just gonna take some of the product off the Velvet applicator. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go a little bit crazy and put a little bit here so you lot can probably see it better on its own. So off the back, I would definitely say with a sponge, and this is dry as well, with a sponge it does take up more product than with the brush. So I'm just gonna go in with the brush once again, considering this is only just 1 dot as well. Okay, that's probably about 2 dots by now. But yeah, with a brush you would definitely get more pigmentation. But that orange shade, yeah, giving sun-kissed orange. Come back from holiday looking all good. Yeah, looking all nice. Yes. Bronze Bombshell. I'm gonna do quite a lot because obviously I want you guys to that might be a mistake, you know, can't even lie. Ooh, okay. Yeah, that is a really nice shade. That actually goes really well with that orange as well. Goes with all the colors. Now marrying all the colors. Wow, I actually do look crazy though. Lord, give me the strength. But yeah, so that was obviously the mixture of the pink and the orange, and that was like the orange with the bombshell shade, which all pretty much looks more blended like as one color on this side than in comparison to this side. But hopefully during the application you lot would have seen like what the shade looks like. Let me do the rest of my makeup, put myself together a little bit. I look so crazy with all this blush, but boy, you know, gotta do it for the content. So yeah, let me put my face together and then I will show you guys the final and completed look. Okay guys, so this is the final and completed look. We are heavily blushed out here. The blush that I used was just a orange blush from Beauty Bay. I cannot remember for the life of me. That's what I pretty much used. So now when you really look at it, my face pretty much looks mirrored and the same. This has obviously more of a pink hue in comparison to this side, but I think that concoction with the blush on top of these blushes really worked well. Considering that I did use a MAC Radiance foundation, my face looks quite matte, but then this blush on my cheek area looks really radiant, which I loved. I was this close to not even setting it, but I thought, you know what, let me just say it because let me just try and act normal, you know. So I did set the blush. Elf did their thing with these blushes. Now I've always been a fan of the Camo ranges. I think the concealers are beautiful. Wasn't really a huge fan of the CC cream or the CC tinted moisturizer, maybe because of the shade, I can't remember, but I viewed it so long ago. But these blushes, yes. If you are a girl like me, these are your shade range, you love a liquid blush, definitely get these 3 shades. This is giving orange, bad bee, I'm outside. This is giving hot pink, nobody can have chat for me. And this is just giving subtle but cute, but I'm here. These are the vibes that these blushes are giving me. Love the packaging, they're inexpensive, formulas are beautiful, easy to blend. I think I would probably just say just be mindful because it does, the doe foot applicator does pick up quite a lot of products, so I can understand why they say use 1 dot. That's what I love about these liquid products, because you can literally just alter them of how you want to apply your makeup. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Also, if you actually have them and you have a different shade that you think that I would like, also let me know, because you know me, I will run and get them. So definitely also let me know in the comment sections down below what other videos you would like to see, any other new makeup you want me to try out, because I am so behind. I'm like 2022 behind. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you have watched it from beginning to end, I love you guys so much. Make sure you do check out the description box for all the details. Give this video a thumbs up and I would love to see you guys in my next one. Bye.